Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades, KULR Stock. Let's talk about KULR Stock here, dropping just along with the markets. I would be very careful here. I'm tempted to buy. I am. Because a lot of stocks right now are like, they're showing some recovery right now at 9:18 a.m. But I would be very cautious. Because this drop could just be the start of an even bigger drop. So I would wait. I would just hold off. This is... we kind of expected this, right? Like, we're either going to go sideways or we're going to drop. And then April 2nd, 2 days from now, it's going to be very interesting. It's going to be one hell of a move. And it's going to be either up or down. But I wouldn't want to buy here. I would just wait and see. Because if this tanks... If this tanks, we're going to $1. Nvidia's going under 100. A lot of stocks are just gonna. People are gonna be like, "Oh my God, what just what just happened?" So when you look at the market as a whole, everything is right at support or underneath it, and we got way too much coming in terms of market-wide movement. Again, nothing has changed. Record financial results. Record fourth quarter and full year 2024 financial results. I believe next year will be even better. But if the market's going to continue to tank, it doesn't mean anything. And Trump said a lot. He had a lot to say over the weekend. If you're not keeping track, because I have to keep track. I'm like, what is this guy saying now? He says something, we drop. So it hasn't been different. Liberation Day, April 2nd is coming. Trump has put broad-based sanctions on all countries on the table. New tariffs on April 2nd. If I recall, every tariff that's been announced has led to the stock market dropping. Analysts predict sector-wide tariffs averaging 50% across major U.S. trading partners with potential recessionary and inflationary consequences. The market sells off because why would I want to buy if everything's going to it's going to get ugly, guys. It's going to get ugly before it gets better. I haven't felt the tariffs yet. I just bought pizza for the same price I bought it, months ago. So I guess pizza's good. I guess I'll be eating pizza. Yeah, I mean, we're not at war, but technically it is a trade war, right? So it is a kind of war, and people don't like war. War means stock market goes down. China, Russia. Yeah, so this guy, he's just going to keep sending markets down, which is fine. We'll buy the dip. Take advantage, guys. I made a whole video called the Stock Market Crash. Check it out. If you're a millennial living with your parents, this is your chance to get out of that situation. Buy these stocks when they're real cheap. Don't be surprised if KULR Stock drops to $1 and under. It can, and it is possible. It is possible, guys. I mean, it's done it before. It dropped. Look at this. Sheesh. It went as high as $3 here and it dropped all the way to 10 cents. Then rallied to 90 cents, dropped back to 20 cents, rallied to $5. It is not impossible for this to drop down that cheap, especially with the current administration at the helm. I've never seen such volatility like this. But if this continues, this is going to be one hell of a bear market, and it's going to be a long one. Probably be in it for the long haul. Like this is going to be fun when we go into the next bull run, because when everything starts recovering, it's going to be incredible. We're going to be moving 10-20% every day, and any pullback is just going to be an opportunity to buy the dip for the next 10-20% move. And so we'll get the opposite of this, but for now, just know this is normal. This is expected. This is par for the course. Do not be surprised if we go even cheaper. Yeah, that's about it. I'm just trying to keep you keep your head on a swivel more than anything. I wouldn't jump in here. Not me. I'm not jumping in. That's if I jump in, it'll be something safer, something more reliable. Right now, some people are expecting a recovery on the second, but I don't. Nah. Anytime Trump talks, what happens? We drop. So there's no point in assuming otherwise until we see a different reaction. If this is how much we dropped, just from him, it's not even April 2nd, and we're already dropping like this. Just imagine what happens if he opens his big mouth on the second and says something that caused the markets to absolutely tank. This is nothing. You think 10, 28%, 8% is this is nothing. If everything goes horrible on April 2nd, this is going to drop like 10, 20% easily across the markets as a whole. If you guys have never been around to see those kinds of drops, oh man, it's beautiful. It's just red everywhere, blood everywhere. Supports are broken. It just keeps going lower, and everyone's crying because, oh no, I thought things go up. Nvidia's not holding on here. If it does not hold here, it's going to 100 and under. It's going to 90, which usually means the market as a whole is going to come down too if Nvidia's struggling, and that's not good. That means everything's going to tank. Please be aware of the market-wide catalyst. The company is doing great. The company is doing fine. Market-wide catalyst, don't care about that. It's going to send it lower because everyone's just going to sell off because no one wants to be holding through this. And that's an opportunity to make a lot of money when we inevitably go into the next bull run cycle. Let's hope this isn't something short-lived. Let's hope this isn't a long bear market. I've never been in a bear market longer than a year. So if we do end up going into some kind of year-long plus bear market, that's going to be new to me. I don't think that's going to happen, but if it does, I'm going to be in the dark too at that point. Do not underestimate that possibility.